Welcome back to the Data Desk QuickStart videos. We've been looking at data on these companies from the Forbes 2000 list. Open your work file if you've saved it. At this point, our desktop is getting a little cluttered. It would probably be a good idea to close unnecessary windows and reorganize the others. We don't need the pie chart anymore. We can remember what color means what. The box plots aren't telling us anything new. These summary statistics are not particularly important. We could put this scatter plot up here. We could move our regression down here. I don't think we need the correlations anymore or the histogram, and we could move our plot of residuals into this corner. That's a lot neater. And you can see as you do this that windows in Data Desk behave the way you'd expect them to. They overlap and they drag as complete windows as they should. Now recall that we've noticed Dexia as an unusual company. It stuck out here, and in the rotating plot, here. Suppose we decided that it really didn't belong in our analysis, and we decide to remove it to see how that would change the analysis. The easiest way to locate Dexia is to select it in one of the plots, as we've done here. Now, if we open the market value variable, it will be selected here as well. If we scroll down, you can sort of see it flash by there. But you might want to find it in a much larger variable. Then the edit go to next selected case command will take us right there. We could simply delete this case, but perhaps we'd like to keep it around just in case we'd like to put it back. The easiest way to make it missing is to just type some non-numeric character here. A common choice would be an asterisk. That tells Data Desk that that value there is no longer a number. Now notice as soon as we did that, these red exclamation marks showed up in the corners of most of our windows. Those indicate that something has changed. But think about what we've done here. We never actually analyzed market value. We transformed market value. We took its logarithm. Then we used its logarithm in a regression. Then we used the regression to generate the residuals. No matter, Data Desk takes care of all of that. When we changed market value, the derived variable log of market value changed immediately. Derived variables update immediately. But the scatter plot up here that plotted log of market value against log of assets didn't update immediately. Instead, it has an exclamation mark up here notifying us that it's old, that it's out of date. If we click on it, we're offered a choice. We can update the window in place, or we can redo the plot in a new window so we could compare before and after. I'll update it in place. You'll see that Dexia disappeared and the plot rescales immediately. Here in the regression, log market value was the response variable. The regression likewise tells us that it's out of date. Not only is it out of date, but the residuals that depended on the regression are out of date. We can update both of those. Why not just update all the plots and tables automatically? Well, comparing the results can be informative. But if you're sure you want immediate updating, you can set a window to update immediately. Just turn on automatic update in any of these windows, and they will update immediately as soon as any change is made to the underlying data. We can record results from the regression. We could compute residuals, for example. Data Desk will save those as a new kind of variable, a hot result with this lightning symbol in it. Hot results are like derived variables. They update immediately if their arguments are changed. In this case, the argument is the analysis, the regression analysis that generated that result. So as soon as we updated this window, the hot result would update as well. The ability of Data Desk to keep all views of your data consistent and to allow you to compare before and after analyses when you make any changes is extremely valuable as you analyze your data, and especially if you identify extraordinary points that may need to be set aside or considered separately. Nobody does it like this.